Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2015 C300 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, power windows. Hop in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. This one does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you navigation, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This C-Class has 43,389 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.